Is your Discord profile stuck on default? Transform it from boring to brilliant in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through every setting: avatar, banner, about me, and even nitro perks like nameplates and effects. First, head over to Discord and open the app or website. Then, click on your profile avatar or your profile name in the bottom left corner. Now click on Edit Profile to open up all your customization options. Next, click on your profile avatar again to change it. Then hit Change Avatar to upload a new image. PNG or GIF works. Now, click the banner color to pick a new color, or if you have Nitro, you can add a custom background image. Click on your profile name to edit it. Then click Add Pronouns to share your pronouns. Now, click into the About Me section. Write a short bio to tell people more about yourself. Once you're happy, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. If you have Nitro or have purchased decorations, you can pick a nameplate to personalize your profile further. Then choose a profile effect for some extra flair. Next, select a profile frame to frame your avatar. Finally, customize your display name style to finish your profile, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.